Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy, your trusted space to learn web development the right way. If you are new here, hit subscribe, like the video, and share it with the others to grow this learning community. You are watching part 2 of our HTML Mastery series, Headings, Paragraphs, and Text Formatting. Whether you are just starting out or refining your HTML skills, you are in the right place. In this video, you will learn how to structure your content using headings and paragraphs, and how to format text with bold, italics, and more, all with real examples and clear guidance. This session is ideal for beginners, students, job seekers, and anyone aiming to build a solid foundation in HTML. Let us jump into the code and learn by doing. There is no better way to master HTML than through hands-on practice. HTML provides 6 levels of headings using tags from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest and typically used for page titles, while H6 is the smallest. These tags help structure content and improve accessibility and SEO. Here is an example using all 6 heading tags. Try this in your browser and see how the font size decreases from H1 to H6. Use headings logically to outline your content. The P tag defines a paragraph. It is used to organize long blocks of text. Each paragraph is displayed on a new line with some spacing above and below. The BR tag insert a single line break useful for short breaks within a paragraph. The HR tag creates a horizontal line across the page, often used to divide sections of content. HTML has simple formatting tags for bold, italic, and underline. Use B for bold, I for italic, U for underlined text. These are mainly for visual styling and not semantic meaning. Unlike visual tags, semantic tags like strong, em, and mark have meaning. Strong indicate important text. Em adds emphasis, and mark highlight text with a yellow background by default. Let us see all the formatting tags in action. Use B and strong for bold, I and EM for italic, mark to highlight important text. Each tag affects the appearance and meaning slightly differently. Try this practice exercise. Create a new HTML file with headings, paragraphs, line breaks, and horizontal rules. Add bold, italic, underline, and semantic formatting. Open it in your browser and observe the changes. To recap, use H1 to H6 for headings, P, BR, and HR for text structure, and formatting tags to help highlight important or styled text. Semantic tags help with accessibility and SEO. In the next video, we will explore how to create links, insert images, and embedded media like videos, audio. Stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy and hit the bell icon to never miss a web development lesson.